FEC's number 101. After the meet in Palm Bay. There goes 512 East. Bells. Woo! Sounds like 100 on lead. Kind of late on that blow right there. Yep. 142 and the 714. Nice. And we got a Conrail in there. Look at all the cars inside. Looks like a Southern Pacific used to be there. You guys are probably wondering, well, if you're a new rail fan, you're probably wondering, why are auto racks like that? Well, it's to prevent from any debris coming out the cars. Since cars come at such a high value, you know, how much you gotta pay to get one, want to keep them protected. So that's their protective shield right there. Unless in any type of penetrable situation, those cars can be penetrable, you know, if there was a derailment or, you know, something very serious. So, yeah. There goes your little lesson right there. Check it out, we got an Ashley. There goes the EOT. Safe trip. EOT at 616. BBT 609 here. Milepost 215 near the Old Fellsmere Railroad. Have a safe trip to 202 and 101. Look, listen, and live.